Question number 71. The number of values of theta belongs to 0 to pi such that sine 2 theta plus sine 5 theta plus sine 8 theta is equal to 0. So just apply sine c plus sine d on sine 2 theta plus sine 8 theta. 2 times sine c plus d by 2. So that is 5 theta into cos c minus d, that is 6 theta divided by 2, 3 theta plus sine 5 theta is equal to 0. From here just take common sine 5 theta, 2 cos 3 theta plus 1 is equal to 0. So 1 sine of 5 theta is equal to 0 and 2 cos of 3 theta is equal to minus 1 by 2. So theta lies from 0 to pi. So for 5 theta, theta lies from 0 to 5 pi. So 5 theta can be pi, 2 pi, 3 pi, 4 pi, and 5 pi cannot be because pi is not included. So theta is equal to pi by 5, 2 pi by 5, 3 pi by 5 and 4 pi by 5. Similarly from here cos 3 theta is equal to minus half. For cos theta minus half you get on pi minus pi by 3. So 3 theta can be pi minus pi by 3, comma pi plus pi by 3, comma 3 pi minus pi by 3. So 3 theta is equal to 2 pi by 3, 4 pi by 3 and 8 pi by 3. So theta can be equal to 2 pi by 9, 4 pi by 9 and 8 pi by 9. So number of values of theta in 0 to pi, we have 4 values here and 3 values here. So total 7 values. So 7 is your correct answer. Now move on next question. Question number 72. Let A1, A2, A3 up to A8 be a regular octagon if the ratio of inradius to circumradius of the regular octagon is root alpha plus 1 divided by beta root beta to whole power half, where alpha beta belongs to natural number, then the value of alpha plus beta. So suppose this is center of octagon and this is one side of octagon. Similarly we have lots of sides. So this length is your circumradius and perpendicular to on this side is your inradius. And this length, suppose side length of octagon is A, so this length is A by 2. Similarly this is A by 2 and we know the whole angle is 2 pi by 8. So this is your angle bisector for inradius. So this angle is your pi by 8, half of this angle. So just take this is O, this is A and this is B. In triangle OAB, tan pi by 8 is equal to A by 2 into R, equation number 1, and sine pi by 8 is equal to A by 2 into R, equation number 2. We have to calculate ratio of inradius to circumradius. So small r divided by capital R. So from here you can see small r is equal to A upon 2 tan pi by 8, and from here capital R is equal to A by 2 into sine pi by 8. Just divide both the parts. So R upon capital R is equal to sine pi by 8 divided by sine pi by 8 into cos pi by 8. So you are getting finally cos pi by 8. So we have to find out the value of cos pi by 8. So we know cos pi by 4 is equal to 2 cos square pi by 8 minus 1. So cos pi by 8 is equal to, cos pi by 4 is 1 by root 2. So 1 by root 2 plus 1 divided by 2. So cos square pi by 8 is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2. So cos pi by 8 is equal to 1 plus root 2 divided by 2 root 2 to whole power 1 by 2. So question is saying ratio of inradius to circumradius is this. So we can compare both the parts. So alpha is equal to 2 and beta is also 2. So question is asking alpha plus beta. So answer is 4. Now move on next question. Question number 73. The angle of elevation of top of a hill from a point is 45 degree. After walking 10 meters towards the top on a slope inclined at an angle 30 degree to the horizontal, the angle of elevation of top becomes 75 degree. Then the height of hill is, suppose this is hill, this angle is 45 degree. Question is asking after walking 10 meters towards the top on a slope inclined at an angle 30 degree. So this is 30 degree and this length is 10 meters. Now angle of elevation of the top becomes 75 degree. So first of all, let height of hill is small h, and initially this angle is 45, so AB is equal to BC. Now suppose this point is M and this point is D. In triangle CMD, this length is 10 and this angle is 30, so CD is equal to 10 cos 30 and MD is equal to 10 sin 30. So which is equal to 5 root 3 meter and which is equal to 5 meter. So this length is your 5 and this length is your 5 root 3. So length BD is equal to H minus 5 root 3 and this length is equal to BD and this length is 5. So this remaining length is H minus 5. So now in this triangle AMP, tan 75 degree is equal to H minus 5 divided by H minus 5 root 3. So tan 75 degree is 2 plus root 3. So just multiply H minus 5 is equal to 2H minus 10 root 3 plus H root 3 minus 5 into 3. So from here you can see H plus H root 3 is equal to 15 minus 5 plus 10 root 3. 10 you can take common, 1 plus root 3. So H you are getting 10. So height of hill is 10 meter. 10 is your correct answer. Now move on. Next question. Question number 74. The number of points having both coordinates as integers that lie in the interior of the quadrilateral formed by the lines 3 mod x minus 4 plus 4 mod y plus 3 is equal to 12. This is very good question. Just replace x minus 4 by capital X and y plus 3 is capital Y. So you will get 3 mod x plus 4 mod y is equal to 12. So mod x divided by 4 plus mod y divided by 3 is equal to 1. If you remember the graph of mod x plus mod y is equal to 1, which is something like this. So which is symmetric in all 4 quadrants. So here we have to find out the integral points lying in the interior of quadrilateral. So this point is not origin, but we are assuming this is like origin, because for this equation and for this equation number of integers in interior quadrilateral would be same. So for making simple question we are taking this is origin and 1 2 3 4 and this is 1 2 3 and here your equation is going to like this. Similarly here so see this is your 1 2 3 4 and this is your 1 2 and this is 3. So just find out in this quadrant and multiply with 4, because in all these 4 quadrants number of integral points would be same. So we are talking about for this quadrant only. So 1 comma 1 1 comma 2 1 comma 3. So just see 1 comma 1 is 1 point, 1 comma 2 which is also inside this triangle. Inside this triangle we have point 1 comma 1, 1 comma 2 and 1.1 comma 3. It can be inside of this triangle or can be outside of this triangle. Another point is 2 comma 1 and 2 comma 2. 2 comma 3 is definitely outside this triangle, and one point is 3 comma 1. So we have to check about these points. So 1 comma 1 is surely inside of this triangle. Okay, now 1 comma 2 you can check 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3. So 1 by 4 plus 2 by 3 which is 11 by 12 which is less than 1, so which is also inside of this triangle. And 1 comma 3, so 1 comma 3 is 1 by 4 plus 3 by 3, so which is greater than 1, so 1 comma 3 is not in interior. Now 2 comma 1, 2 comma 1 is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3, so which is less than 1, so 2 comma 1 is in your interior. Now again for 2 comma 2, this is 2 by 4 plus 2 by 3, so you can check 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. This is your 7 by 6 which is greater than 1, so 2 comma 2 is not in your interior also. Now for 3 comma 1, so this is your 3 by 4 plus 1 by 3. You can see this is your 9 plus 4 divided by 12 which is also greater than 1. So only 1 comma 2, 1 comma 1, 2 comma 1, 3 points are interior of this triangle. So similarly 3 would be here, 3 would be here and 3 would be here. So 3 into 4 plus points whose are on coordinate axis. So 3 would be here. So 6 plus 2 and 2 would be here. So 4 and plus 1 point is origin. So just calculate 12 plus 10 plus 1, that is equal to 23. So you can see number of points having both coordinates as integers that lie in the interior of quadrilateral is 23. So answer is your 23. I hope you understand this question very well. Now move on next question. Question number 75. The angle between the pair of tangents drawn from the point 0, 2 to the conic x square plus 4y square minus 2x minus 3 is equal to 0 is pi by n, then n equals. So first of all calculate this curve. X square minus 2x plus 1 plus 4y square is equal to 3 plus 1. So x minus 1 whole square divided by 4 plus y square is equal to 1. So this is an ellipse. So first of all find out equation of director circle. Equation of director circle is x square plus y square is a square plus b square. So which is x minus 1 whole square plus y square equal to 5. So just check on your this point 0, 2 which lie on this curve or not. So just substitute here 0 minus 1 whole square plus 2 whole square. So 1 plus 4 that is equal to 5. So definitely this point lie on director circle, and you know from any point on director circle you draw tangents to that curve. So angle between those tangents is pi by 2. So here angle between pair of tangents is pi by 2. So n is equal to 2. So your answer is 2. I hope you understand all the questions very well. Thank you so much.